Yo, vatos, thanks again for tuning into yet another video. Infamous coming at you from the West Coast yet again, San Jose, California. We're going to be showing you, or I'm going to be showing you a few images right here that has leaked from, I guess, one of their magazines or Harley's magazines. Anyways, I'm getting over, I guess it must be another virus sort of issue again. This is like my second time now, and I'm just getting over it. Yeah, it's pretty bad. It's worse than the first time. And yeah, I mean the nights are the roughest. Anyways, I'll probably make another video on the on this illness. But anyways, let's get on with the video. All right, like I said, thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in, and just hit a like on the video. Be much appreciated. Yeah, I mean, we're looking at the gray 2022 Lowrider S. And this is the touring, like I mentioned, we've seen this kit, this fairing already. We've seen it in leaked videos. If you guys been following the channel, you guys already seen a lot of those videos. So we have a little bit up here, FXLRS-T. That's what I've been calling this thing since the get-go. So I guess, I mean, this is what they're calling it now. Audio. So yeah, I mean, you can see the speaker system. They're selling it right here. It's a complete kit, so I'm guessing they're gonna sell it separate from the fairing itself. And you know what? Seeing it in this color, you know what? Maybe I was wrong about this fairing. Seeing it in the gray, it stands a little bit more. It's got, yeah. I mean, like I said, it's a modern take of the FXLR. It's a modern take of the FXRT. So, and as you can see, the windshield and everything, it has that iconic classic look. But you know what? I'm digging it. I'm looking at it in the gray. Looking at it in gray, it looks a little bit better. But yes, I mean that gunship gray is gorgeous. And as you can see, it's got that 117 air breather. But yeah, man, you know what? It's a good looking bike. And anyways, getting on to the audio system, I guess they'll be selling this separately, probably to cut back on cost. But it looks, to me, there might be a little bit something over here. I can't really see it, of course. These are images. But anyways, let's look at the Rockford Fosgate audio inner fairing kit. So like I said, they'll be selling this separately, and it's $1,000 right up here. As you can see, that's pretty expensive for just the audio on this thing. That's just the audio. We're not talking about the fairing. And there's a few other details here. Marine grade. That's their speaker system. If you guys own Audioplex, you could opt in for the marine grade. So I'm guessing that's what they have here, and I'm pretty sure these are like a special one-off speakers. What you get with most of these, it's a 5.25 or 5.25 size speaker. These, however, are going to be different. I wonder how the amp and everything else is set up here, but it looks like, I mean, you have two main speakers, and then it looks like you probably have like additional speakers out here. So maybe a total of 4, maybe. But it's obvious. You can see it right here. That's the speaker system. I mean, I don't think these are, I don't know. Based on the size right here, I'm guessing they're probably like 3 or 2 inch speakers. Maybe it has something up here. Let me just read this real quick. Anyways, after reading this, it looks like it is 2.25 speakers. I don't know. It just looks, I mean, based off the images and the pictures, it looks a little bit smaller than that. But somehow they're able to fit a 5.25 speaker in here, and it's powered by a 250 watt amplifier, and I'm guessing it's Bluetooth. So it's right down over here. You can see it, 250 watts, which is I mean, it's a decent amount. But like I said, I mean, for the overall package and what they have, I guess they could just do as much as they can with what they have. So it looks I mean, it looks neat. It looks pretty good for $1,000. Yeah, I mean, that is pricey, but I mean, the Plex audio, that's gonna cost you around the same amount. And like I said, this is a plug and play, so you don't have to turn it on, turn it off, or anything like that. This is I'm pretty sure this is gonna be directly connected to your ignition system, so you don't have to have a separate audio power button or anything like that. But I mean, it looks pretty good. Like I said, it's a good looking fairing now. I do like it, and if the audio system is $1,000, holy crap, you probably start wondering how much is the actual fairing itself. But yeah, I mean, it looks good. It looks like it's got some wind deflectors down here. Did we see that here? Oh yeah, it has it right here. Doesn't stand out too much, but it is there. And this is their Road Glide. I mean, this is the performance bagger that I mentioned. This is their Road Glide Sport, or the Road Glide. I mean, it says it right here, Road Glide Sport. So I guess this is a version of a Lowrider S. It's got that same tank badging as a Lowrider S. I don't know what's going on with this seat, but it looks like it. Like I said, I mean, I believe this is a single seat. See if there's another shot of the seat. No, there is not. So I don't know. I mean, that seat looks a little weird. It looks a little funny. Maybe I don't know what this is. I guess this is their wall, or their support for the seat itself. And I believe this is going to be. I believe this is. It might be a 124 or something along those lines. Sorry, I'm not feeling too good. Anyways, yeah, I'm not feeling that great. Yeah, I'm guessing this has a 124 in it. As you can see, it's got the Prodigy wheels. Those are, like I said, man, these are good looking wheels, and it has that bronze color to it too. So I mean, basically, it is a lowrider bagger, or Lowrider S bagger, or along those lines, sorta. And it doesn't have the extended. It doesn't have the extended saddlebags, which is pretty good. That way you could have a little bit more lean angle. So it's got the regular saddlebags. And what else can we see from here? Like I said, bronzed Prodigy wheels. You have the Road Glide fairing, and it's got some Dominion grips on it. Of course, that's going to be aftermarket. You can see a little bit of a highlight right here around the heads. But man, I don't know about this seat. This is just bizarre. But this is their Road Glide Sport, and it's gonna be a beast. It looks nice though. I do like the look. Like I said, man, this tank badging is beautiful. I like it. I like that old school painted decal tank badging in there. And here's a few images of the back of the bike, and this is, of course, this is a gunship gray Road Glide Sport. And I don't know about this. I mean, what is this? Some light deflectors, or some reflectors. Yeah, I mean, you can see it right here. That's the Road Glide fairing. That's the shark nose fairing. And that's about it. I mean, if you guys want to look at these images, you could check them out at Hardcore Cycles. They're the ones that posted this not too long ago. So, I mean, there it is. Some big news, and something that we're going to be seeing in a couple of days now. So, looking forward to it. Of course, this does not have the speedo, which is bizarre. I mean, this is the Street Bob speedo right here, or the digital. Yeah, this is a digital on the clamp, and pretty sure, yeah, it's got the it also has cruise control. So they went ahead and they put cruise control back into this lowrider, which, I mean, it's something that it should have had since 2020. I'm still actually waiting for my parts. I'm waiting on the cruise control kit, or whatever they call it. I'm waiting for the cruise control for my lowrider. All right, so that's pretty much it. Thanks for tuning in to yet another video. You guys go ahead and leave a like on the video, and once you guys just go ahead and leave a few comments. Let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna try to get back to the comments. I've been kind of stuck in bed, and just, you know, fighting this damn disease. Anyways, stay out there, stay safe. Don't believe everything you read. Life's a risk. Get out there and ride. Later.